Welcome to Lesson 2. In this lesson, I'll be sharing how to create a mobile version of your website. To follow along, be sure to log into your WebStarts account and select the option to edit site from the dashboard. That will open the page editor. To begin editing the mobile version of your website, click the mobile icon near the top right of the page. Hidden elements can be found on the sidebar. Clicking the visibility icon unhides them. To add an element to your mobile view, it must first be added to the desktop view. Click the desktop icon to toggle to the desktop and add your element from the sidebar. When you add elements in the desktop view, they'll be hidden in the mobile view by default. You can either drag them where you want them displayed in the mobile view or click the visibility icon to the right of the element to display them. When you're happy with the mobile layout, you'll need to enable it in order for it to be displayed. Be sure to save your changes for them to be published. Click View Site and narrow your browser window to see your mobile view or visit the page from a mobile phone. That concludes Lesson 2. Stay tuned for the next lesson on how to add apps to your site like an online store, appointment booking, blog, chat, and more. And don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in Lesson 3.